Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we discussed very clearly up to pattern number 58. So 56. Now we have to talk about the 57th pattern. It is the same like previous pattern. Like I need to print A, then BB, next CCC. But here I want to take capital A, capital B, capital B. In the third row, I want to print 3 C values. In the fourth row, I want to print 4 D values. In the fifth row, I want to print E values. Sir, it is the same like previous program. In the previous program, we have started with ASCII value 96. So because the small a value is going to start from 97. So if you start from 96, every time it will add the value 1. Now, capital A values are going to start from 65. So if you start with 64, that is sufficient. So what I am doing here in this place, I am going to take 64. And here also I am taking 64. So character function will convert the given integer value into ASCII format so that automatically we will get the result. Okay, let us execute this code and check what will happen. Sir, you can see in the first row we got a single A. In the second row we got a single B 2 times. In the third row CCC. In the fourth row D like that, and in the fifth row E like this we are getting. This is the way how we can able to generate this pattern, sir. Okay, I think you people got a very clear clarity. So it is similar to the patterns whatever we covered in the previous example. Same thing we have converted into this style. Okay, I think it is very clear for you, right? With this, some styles of patterns got completed. Thank you.